Hi guys, I'm just going to show you how I do a compression test. This machine is probably about 6 years old, and one cylinder is not firing, and it's producing 1100 RPMs versus the 3000. So I just did a compression test. I'm going to show you how I do it. So basically, take the spark plug out. So you would take the cover off and then unscrew that. I'm using 16. So I just took this out. As you can kind of see on there, it's just a little wet, which is really a good sign. That means the fuel is getting to it. So this is my compression gauge, and depending on what size of spark plug you have, you change this to the right size. This comes right off, and then it has a quick connect down here. And all I'm going to do is plug this in here. All right, so now I'm going to start. I can do that a few times. So as you can see, it's 120 on this side. All right, I'm going to show you the other side. Okay, so I plugged it into the other side. It's nice and tight. And reset that. So this is what it sounds like running on one cylinder.
Come check us out at magicwandcompany.com.